If you need to create a pie chart in Microsoft Word, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to insert a pie chart. Choose the style you want and get it ready for your document in just a few clicks. This is a simple skill, but it's incredibly useful for reports, school projects, presentations, and any document where you want to show data visually. If this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Microsoft Word tips and step-by-step guides. Now let's jump into it. First, open Microsoft Word and go to the document where you want to add your chart. You can place the pie chart anywhere in your file, so click exactly where you want it to appear. This is important because Word will insert the chart right at your cursor location. Next, look up at the top menu and click the Insert tab. The Insert tab is where Word keeps all the tools for adding elements into your document, including pictures, shapes, tables, and charts. Once you're in Insert, find the Chart button and click it. When you click Chart, a window will open showing different chart categories. This is where you choose the type of chart you want to create. Since we're making a pie chart, select Pie from the list of chart types. After that, you'll see several pie chart styles available. You can pick any one of them depending on the look you want for your document. If you want a classic look, choose the standard pie chart. If you want something a little more visual or detailed, you can try one of the other pie variations shown in the list. Once you've selected the style you want, click OK. Word will then insert the pie chart into your document and open a small spreadsheet-style datasheet. This is where you can enter the values that will control the chart. Even though this video is focused on creating the pie chart itself, this step is what allows Word to generate the visual automatically. You can replace the sample numbers with your own data and the chart will update instantly. If the chart appears too large or too small, you can click and drag the corners to resize it. You can also move it around the page until it sits exactly where you want it. That makes it easy to fit your pie chart neatly into a report, assignment, or business document. And that's it. You've successfully created a pie chart in Microsoft Word. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make your document look much more professional and much easier to understand. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Word tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.